let the student to practice the multiplication for 1 minute. That there are 10 cells and 10 fields. There
And they are
100
multiply 10 times
yeah.
10 up to 100. Yeah, easily they can manage it.
Yeah.
Anyway, what you are doing is you push them to memorize this multiplication table.
Yeah, this is the very basic.
But instead of pushing them to memorize, just there is also a best way or the shortest way to memorize it.
This way.
Why I remember this thing, just 9 times 8 is 72. Something number. This is 72. I think. Instead of remembering this, I can remember the fewer numbers, lower numbers. So instead of 9 times 8, why not? I write it in this, and then I can remember now 4 times 8 easily. I remember it. 5 times 8 I can easily remember it, and then I can add it without writing on paper, of course.
Right.
What I want is, you see, can you make it something smart other than 9 times 8? You see, if he is not memorizing it, if he forget this thing, he will not do. But there are also other ways you can do this, just like this.
They can do
You may
addition.
introduce these things in grade 3 or whatever it is. Addition is a little bit longer time. It takes a longer time because he's going to add 9 8 times or 8 9 times, which is a little bit longer. It's time consuming.
Yeah, I know. But as you know, from 1 to 9 is basic number, right?
Yes.
But if the students just remember from 1 to 5 and from 2 to 5, it's why do the students remember just the half numbers? So I think that from 2 to 9 is very simple.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, and then if the students don't remember to from 10 to 15 or 10 to 13. But nowadays, students want to be smarter than before, so
Yes,
a lot of students try to remember this too.
Even.
Yeah,
Well,
but I think this is very basic. So if the students don't remember the 9 times 8, and then students can also the 5 plus and the 4, 8 is.
That's what I mean.
Then it is 72, right? But the students, in 5, that means 5 plus 5 times. That is, I think it doesn't matter.
No, what I mean is, yes,
Yeah,
of
I
course,
understand.
it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
But you see, there are students. I want to tell them there are different ways of
Yeah,
doing
the
these
students
things.
have to think very
Yes, of
way.
course.
Yeah.
Even some smart students may ask you. One time what happened, let me tell you.
But can they do like this?
Yeah.
Grade 2?
Well, of course, now we are going to tell them about distributive property. What we are saying is, without telling them the distributive properties, you see how they can easily remember multiplying numbers. I told to my kid, this is number line. And this arrow indicates the positive direction you want to make it. And therefore, some starting point, and then you can divide into equal parts and say this is 0, this is 1, something like that. And then I told her addition of this number is just like this. But there is no problem if you write it in this way. It's still the same. Well, of course, it's not usually known, it's always, but if I put this way, again it is the same thing. Now it is increasing in this direction. Normally arrow shows direction, it's direction, nothing else.
Yeah.
And okay, we agree on this.
This
This plus sign, that's plus. No.
Really?
Are you going to put this way? On both, and then minus here, plus here? What if I write this way? Plus then here, and then minus. Is it wrong?
But it
It's
is the
kind of-
usual,
it's
the
kind of
usual
agreement.
way.
Yeah, this is the usual way of doing
Yes,
it.
yeah.
But here it is minus, here it is plus, and therefore I put this plus and then minus. That's it, no difference.
That's okay.
That's okay. And then I told her, and then we agree, and she got to school. Well, of course, she's a little bit smart and asked the teacher, what if we do like this? And the teacher come and knock her. then she came to home and tell me that you are wrong.
Because
She's not
wrong.
wrong.
Yes, you are wrong.
You are
You
wrong.
are wrong.
Because when
Because
I asked the
out
teacher,
of the reality of the, a lot of things.
no, it's
That-
not out of reality. Normally, this is an abstract way of thinking. And if you say this arrow shows the positive direction, wherever it is, it's always positive. Well, of course, this is from right to left. What if it is up and down? This is the same. It's an agreement. And if you show that this is
The agreement, you are, you are against the agreement made.
no, I am not against.
Yeah,
It's not against. It's not against. It's correct way of doing things. But what he knows only that like that. Even I made such things. You see. Nowadays, in standard books, number planes are this way.
Right.
There is no arrow here and there is no arrow here. If you are speaking in number plane. But we learn it this way.
Right.
And when my professor asked me to just draw a number plane, and I put these 4 arrows. What does arrow shows? It means the positive direction. What do you mean? He asked me the question. If you
Positive
put here arrow and
direction.
here arrow and then it's something confusing. But I learned it that way. And the problem, even if you go through these books, you will get such things, maybe grade 4 or grade 5.
But usually we record the right and up is a positive and
Yes.
down and left is negative.
Negative,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's a kind of.
It's an agreement. And what I want to say is now, what was the starting point for this question? Why is it?
Starting point
Distributive
is
property.
በጣም ይቆያል።
We are distributive property anyway. Let's go back to that.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
just can we introduce in that way
31%.
such things and then
በጣም ብዙ
it's
ነው።
easy.
እዚህ አካባቢ የሚጠቀም ሰው ነው።
Sorry
Or
for the
we can do it
interruption.
in evening time.
For a second. Which one is the printer? I want to see things. Sorry for the interruption.
Instead is the print.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then
Mhm. Okay.
Arrow,
No paper?
yeah.
አንተ የምትለው
Okay.
ስታሲስ ውስጥ
የትም
እንትኖቹን
ሂድ።
ለመለየት አይ
ምን?
ነው እንደዛ ነው።
እንዴት?
እንትኖቹን እንጂ አሁን ሂሳብ ውስጥ በስታሲስ ውስጥ ትችላለህ እንደፈለግ እንደዚህ አድርገህ
በምን ውስጥ?
ሪሌሽንሺፕ ለመሳል ከፈለግ ስለ ሪሌሽንሺፕ ማለት ነው። You just assume this 0 and this to be one of the line